Bob Field is an emeritus professor in the Department of Environmental Engineering and Earth Sciences. I've known Bob since I arrived at Clemson in 1996. At that time, as a green professor, I was looking for some guidance from more senior faculty members, and Bob was always available, always caring, always helpful. The most important thing to know about Bob is that he's really the father of the Nuclear Environmental Engineering and Science program within the department.
From that original start Bob had, it is essentially grown into one of the best nuclear environmental engineering-based programs in the country.
During his time at Clemson, he ended up graduating 69 graduate students, master's and PhD students that went on to work at national laboratories, government laboratories, government facilities, and in academia. As Bob was developing the curriculum and putting it together, one of the things that, over many years, one of the things that came out of that was his textbook. So he published a textbook with one of his students and a colleague from the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. And that's really the long-term contribution back to the community.
Through the way that he mentored students, through his scholarship, he just served as a great example for younger faculty in the department on how to be successful in an academic career.
There were a lot of groups, particularly in the Southeast, because of the relatively high concentration of nuclear power systems that we have here. The faculty all really knew each other, and Bob would always they would get together frequently, and he was always there both promoting the field and noting what we need to do to excel as a broad community, but always in the background it was the Clemson flag, not literally, but the Clemson flag was always flying. I couldn't imagine this award going to a finer engineer who has supported the university for decades and produced an educational and research program that is now thriving at the university. And so his legacy within Clemson University will live on through the Center for Nuclear Research that we have.
When we reflect back on the members of the Academy and the qualities that they stand for, Bob embodies all of those qualities, and it's just a joy to see him recognized in this way, and I can't think of a person more deserving for this honor than Bob Field.
Congratulations, Bob. Well, this is very, very well deserved. I'm proud to have been one of your students, and I'm proud of you.
In the words of Sir Isaac Newton's, if I could see further, if I can see further, it is because I'm standing on the shoulder of giants. And Bob Field has been one of the giants in my career, and for which I am forever indebted for his help in facilitating my career at Clemson. So thanks, Bob.